I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program step by step in less than 5 minutes. And my name is Travis Marziani. I've done over $10 million in online sales. And let's start the timer because step one is you're going to go to affiliate-program.amazon.com and click sign up. If you have an Amazon account, sign in, and if not, create a new one. Step two, fill in your personal information. Step three, it asks for a website. If you have one, put it in. If you don't, here's a ninja hack. Paste the link to your Instagram, YouTube channel, or whatever social media you use. That used to not work, but I've heard it does work sometimes now. However, if you do want to build a website, you can do it very quick, very easily with AI. I have a full tutorial showing you how to do it in just a few minutes, and there's a link to that down below, zero coding necessary. Step four, it asks you for your associate ID. This is just a name for your store. Make it whatever you want. You can always change it later. Step five, it asks about your content type. If you're not sure, select lifestyle content. Choose the category that fits, fill in the rest, click finish. Now pay attention to this next part because if you miss even one of these steps, you won't get paid and your account might get blacklisted. You can just scroll to the bottom and click enter your payment and tax information. Choose your payment method, direct deposit, check, or Amazon gift card. I recommend direct deposit because the cash goes straight to your bank. Keep in mind, the minimum payout is $100. You need to earn at least $100 in commission before Amazon sends your first payment. Then click Save Changes, and now here's a hack that keeps your personal information off Amazon's system. On the tax information screen, if you don't have an LLC, select Individual, fill in your info. It asks for your US taxpayer identification number. Most people will put in their social security number. Don't do that. Click the dropdown and select Employer Identification Number. This stands for EIN, and EIN is basically a social security number for your business. It keeps your personal SSN off Amazon's platform. Getting an EIN is completely free. Go to irs.gov, apply in a few minutes, and boom, you're done. You have an EIN. Then you paste that into the page right here on Amazon. Now you'll see a bar at the top of the page called SiteStripe. And this is how you actually start making money from Amazon Associates. And I'll explain that in just a second. But if you haven't yet, make sure to smash the like button because that lets me know that you're enjoying this video. And the way that SiteStripe works is you go to any product page that you want to make an affiliate commission off of, and you click on Get Link from the SiteStripe bar at the top here, and boom, you've got your referral link. Anytime someone buys any product on Amazon using your link, you make money. Now that your account is set up, there is one mistake that I see people making over and over again that can get you kicked off of the Amazon platform, and that is the 180-day trap. When you sign up for Amazon Associates, you're not a full member right away. You're on probation and you have 180 days to get 3 qualified sales. 3 different people need to buy through your links within 6 months. If you don't hit that, you get kicked out. You can reapply, but every link you posted for the last 6 months, gone, and you need to restart from scratch. Now, I know a lot of people think that maybe they'll send that link to friends and family or they'll use their own link when buying things. Do not do this. If Amazon catches you doing this, you will get banned, blacklist for life. So be very careful with that. And if you want help making money with Amazon Associates, I have a dedicated program that goes in depth about that. There's a link to that down below in the description. I also have a completely free tutorial that you can get by clicking right here. So click on that video. I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.